Hello and welcome to Create to Make. I thought I'd give you an update and because I've been around for a while, so I've been busy. It's just not been recording anything for a video. So, but if you check out my Instagram at Create to Make, you would see that I've been pretty busy. So if you go over there, you can at least see that I am doing something. So what's been happening over the last month or so is at Christmas, Gorilla Glue did a giveaway on their Instagram page, and I was lucky enough to win a bundle of kind of different glues, and I was told on Christmas Eve, so it was a nice Christmas present, and it's really good stuff. So I've got to find some use for some of them, but I've used glue and I've used the tape. Tape is like very strong, super glue, very strong, and the wood glue is good to do in money boxes. So so what have I been doing? Now, I've been making wedding table centerpieces for my son. He got married last month and I'm a very proud dad, as you would expect. Everything went well. I made him 6 of the table centerpieces, and basically I'll put some pictures so you can see. The wedding was in a barn, so the actual centerpieces looked very small-ish, but each piece was originally it was about 60 kilo of weight. So 60 kilograms, I don't know what that would be in pounds and ounces, but I would say heavy. And so what I did was I drilled some holes in the bottom to take away some of the weight, and then I put some of these in the side so you can actually put candles and stuff on there. So, but as you can see in the picture, it looks quite good and it looks nice in place. Another bit that I should be proud of is my wife. She made the cake. I'll put a picture here. The cake was really nice, and it was chocolate sponge, and she actually made the flowers on there. It turned out really well, and I'm really proud that she actually managed to do it without pretty much any experience before. So it looks really good and everybody enjoyed it. So what else? I've been making a toy box. If you look at the picture, I've made one of these. Well, I've made about 4 now, and each one is kind of an improvement on the last. Obviously, the more you actually do it, the more you find better ways of doing it and stuff like that. But the picture shows you that it is actually quite a good, nice toy box. I've used hardwood, plywood and pine to make it. So the soft close, I put soft closing lid mechanism, so it is really shouldn't trap anybody's fingers. So next I put some OSB on the board so I can actually put some storage on there and screw things onto the board instead of onto the wall. It took a bit of time to do, but I'm actually happy to do it. That is done. There's some future projects going to be coming, which is kind of homes for all my tools behind me. As you can see, just a selection. So I'm going to be doing kind of storage for that. I want to kind of get back into doing more videos, so now I've done all the big jobs out of the way, I can now start focusing on kind of projects in the future. One of those is going to be from these. These are actually Frogwood blanks. Now Frogwood were kind enough to send me these blanks so I could actually do something with them. I was hoping to get them done last month, but unfortunately with the toy box and the wedding centerpieces and everything else, I haven't actually been able to. So that's going to be a future project, and the storage for the tools is going to be another project. So I think that's at least a couple of projects I've got to be to do. Makers Central. I am going to Makers Central. It is going to be on the 2nd and 3rd of May. Now that isn't a bank holiday weekend because they've moved the bank holiday to the Friday after, so it's not actually a bank holiday, but it's well worth the visit to go. I've been the last 2 years and I'm looking forward to seeing everybody again this year. And yeah, make sure the tickets are available now. I've already got mine. And yeah, it's something well worth a visit because it's an incredible community and the stuff you can see there is just incredible. And Nick Zametti is actually organising it again, and I mean the last 2 years he's done a really good job, so this year should not be any different. You're going to get Matt Cremona, you're going to get Jimmy DeResta, Bobby Duke, I think Izzy Swan is possibly going there, the Mad Maker, John Crovier, Brain Fizz, Hippie Needle. There's just going to be loads of people there. Average Joe, he's going to be there. Hugh Lionheart, who's probably going to be there. There's just too many to mention. But I'm really looking forward to seeing everybody again and making new friends and meeting new people, because it's really inspiring, it's really good, and it's think about it, just don't hesitate, think about it, buy the tickets, that's what you need to do. So yeah, that's about it really. My neighbour, he was a carpenter and he did kind of carpentry, but he's kind of changed jobs and he's not doing that anymore. He kindly gave me some of his old tools. So I've got a shoulder plane, I've got a card scraper, and they're really good quality, they're good nick, a spoke shave, and also in the box a little router plane, and it's Diddy, but I'm really grateful that he's gave me these stuff. Thank you, Nigel. And yeah, it's some people's generosity is really good, and I'm happy to be able to use these things in the future. I've just got to work out what projects I'm actually going to do to use these. But yeah, I really appreciate the tools. So that's about it really. there's nothing left to say. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, although it's just a catch up, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, give us a thumbs down. It's entirely up to you. I hope to see you in the future with more projects, and again, thanks for watching, and Happy New Year. Ta-da.